The teacher punished the child. Punished indicates simple past tense. Interrogative. Did the teacher punish the child? Punish बोलेंगे आप, punished नहीं बोलेंगे ईडी के बगैर. Right? Did the teacher punish the child? We are flying kites. Question. We are flying kites. Change into negative. It's very easy. We are flying kites. The helping word is available in this sentence. Right? So, you have to write down is in the beginning of the sentence to make it interrogative. We are flying kites. Are we flying kites? It is interrogative. We are flying kites. Negative. We are not flying kites. Right? The peon rang the bell. The peon rang the bell. Instruction bracket में simple present tense. The peon rang the bell. Simple present tense. The peon rings the bell. Right? The peon rings the bell. I am taking bath. I am taking bath. Change into negative. Very easy. I am taking bath. I am not taking bath. Not taking bath. She drove a car. She drove a car. Change into past continuous. She was driving a car. She was driving a car. Akram is teaching English. Akram is teaching English. Change into present perfect. Akram has taught English. Akram has taught English. Fatima broke a toy. Fatima broke a toy. Change into past perfect. Fatima had broken a toy.